and this is the Mercedes-Benz AMG G63 that is just blistering. And if I just floor, just brilliant. The way this thing just goes. Hi guys and welcome to Drive Spark. I'm Promeet, and the car that we are driving today is a legendary SUV, and this is the Mercedes-Benz AMG G63 or the G-Wagon. So Mercedes-Benz has done quite a few changes to this SUV. Have a look at it. Now, if we talk about the design aspect of this SUV, now you will notice that it has remained the same. The design has not changed at all. Same big boxy shape that actually looks very iconic. I mean, if you see the G-Wagon from the 70s and if you compare the G-Wagon to the current generation, you will notice that the design has almost remained the same. There have been no changes done to the overall exterior design. A few bits here and there, but now this looks way more aggressive, way better, and that is because it gets a night package that you see at the front, the all blacked out grille, the all blacked out logo, and especially in this color. This is called the Brilliant Blue. It's a shade that is not matte, that is not gloss, it's somewhere in between, and with the night package where you have the grille, the side elements, and the rear badging all finished in piano black. It looks absolutely fantastic. I mean, it is needless to say that this thing is a head turner. People definitely know this car. It is almost everyone's favorite SUV, but who don't know this car definitely looks at it just because of this color option that it has. It is just fantastic. Now, if you see at the front, you get your LED headlamps, the round LED headlamp with a headlamp washer. You get an AMG specific bumper with vents on either sides. Now, if you move to the side, you will get AMG specific 22-inch wheels, and they are absolutely gorgeous. You also have red color calipers. They complement the overall looks of the vehicle. And if you move to the back, you'll also notice that the spare wheel gets a cover that is finished in black and this body paint color. Looks overall just fantastic. You have the G63, the AMG badging, again a part of the night package in this. That's all finished in black. And if you move to the side, you will notice the iconic side mounted exhaust that are quad exhaust, two on this side and two on that side, and they sound absolutely awesome. You also have a valve over here that you can open and listen to the grunt while you pull, but you have a very soothing V8 rumble inside the cabin when you're driving, so it is not hampering your discussion if you have a passenger or if you're going a little bit fast on the highway. Now, a few things on the inside that you get is, first of all, the G63 gets a touchscreen. Yes, before this the G63 did not have a touchscreen, so this gets the latest MBUX system from Mercedes-Benz. It has two screens displaying a ton of information, and obviously the infotainment system is a touch screen over here. Now, on the inside, you also have a lot of optional packages that you can choose from. Now, first of all, you can see you have a lot of carbon fiber on the inside. That's a part of the optional package. You also have this upholstery. Upholstery can be done in a lot of ways. You have a lot of options to select from upholstery. Again, an optional package over here. Overall, if the size of the SUV on the outside, I mean, when you sit inside, the front seats are good, but the rear spacing could have been slightly better. However, it gets a 480 liters of boot space that can accommodate luggage for at least 4 to 5 people, and it's a pretty deep boot. And you also have wood finish on the boot. Again, that's an optional package. So you have a lot of options available that you can customize your G63 in, starting from the paint job to the outside to the inside. A ton of things can be done to this SUV. If you also notice that there are two screens at the back, again you can get them from Mercedes-Benz. They are the entertainment package, and overall it is a fantastic cabin to be in. You sit high. It's actually a very high driving position because you have around 238 mm of ground clearance, and this ground clearance is more than enough for you to just go anywhere. I mean, this is an SUV that can literally go anywhere. It is comfortable, it is super fast, and it is just gorgeous to look at, especially because of this very boxy design that it has, and it has been that over the years. Now let's talk about the engine of the G63, and the G63 gets a V8. Obviously it gets a twin turbo V8, and it also gets a 48-volt battery system that is an ISG system, and that also gives a 20 PS of boost to this car. Now that 20 PS and the engine is producing around 585 PS. Now close to that, if we talk about bhp, it has close to 600 bhp of power, 850 Nm of peak torque, and that is just blistering. You do a 0 to 100 in 4.3 seconds. Imagine a SUV that is this big, is this heavy, doing a 0 to 100 in just 4 seconds. Isn't that really brilliant? We'll be doing a reel on the 0 to 100, so please don't forget to check it out on our Instagram and YouTube reels and shots. Now, one more thing that Mercedes has introduced in this vehicle is active damping system. Now, the suspension on this has been worked very thoroughly, and that is because in the previous generation G-Wagon, what used to happen is that when you used to take a corner very fast, you had to brake a little ahead because you could not carry a lot of speed inside the corner, and that was purely because of the suspension. It had a lot of body roll. Now this also has body roll, but it is controlled because of the active damping system that this car gets. And when you are arriving a corner at high speed, what it does is so if you're turning right, the body will go to the left, but the left side suspension will stiffen up so that the body can stay in place and you can take the corner at high speeds. So handling wise, it has just become awesome. And right now we are in comfort mode. If I just put Sport Plus, now there are a lot of modes to choose from: Comfort, Sports, and Individual, Sport Plus. And in Sports Plus you can hear the exhaust roll, and if I just downshift and do a pull, that is what happens, and it will just throw you back in your seat. And trust me, it is 600 bhp is not a joke. It is a lot of horsepower, and especially for an SUV that is this big, putting down all that power is just fantastic. I mean, we are in comfort mode right now, back again, and if I just floor, just brilliant the way this thing just goes. And now the G63 has a launch control for the first time. Again, activating that launch control and doing a 0 to 100. We will be doing it, but the claim time is 4.3 seconds. Now this active damping suspension, what it has done is basically, before this, when this active damping suspension was not there, when you used to do a standstill or a launch from a standstill, then the G63's nose just used to lift up and point to the sky. Now the nose lift is reduced a lot, and that is because again of the suspension setup that this car gets. So yes guys, this was the G63, a fantastic legendary SUV that almost everyone likes, and almost everyone has a bucket list and wants to have a G63 in their parking lot. And that is because this is the most epic gangster looking SUV that you will come across in the automotive industry. So now talking about the pricing of this vehicle, now the G63, the new one, costs around 3.6 crore ex-showroom, and obviously if you keep on adding the optional extras that you have on the car, like for example these 22-inch wheels, the night package, the interior upholstery package, all of that put together can cost you around 5 crores on road, depending on from where you purchase this car. But 4.5 to 5 crores on road with the optional package is what it will cost you to get the all new G63 in your parking garage. But trust me, this is something that is just awesome. So Guys, I hope you like this video and I hope you enjoyed the G63. If you have anything else to ask about this SUV, please message down in the comment section and we will get back to you on that. Until then, I'm Promeet signing out. See you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Take care, be safe and drive safe.